It's one of those bowls.
Alright, we're starting the episode off today. Wait, so we're making brownies?
Yes, that's what you just... I was like, what? When do we switch?
Yo, this guy know what he's doing.
One serving, guys.
Zeus, our master here. He goes to VCC, called the culinary school.
He's halfway through the semester.
One quarter.
One quarter?
He's not actually fully done the semester.
Yeah, my role is a video photographer, filmer / commentator.
My role is to judge this guy.
Wait, you guys gotta help me out, guys.
So I paid $15 for the ingredients, and that's 1 hour of work.
We're working together,
Yeah, $18 soju and 3 drinks, so that's
right.
like $18 as well.
Alright, guys.
I thought you know what you're doing.
Yo, what the fuck? The master's looking at the recipe? Are we good? Are we good?
Let me think.
Master, lock in.
Let me think.
Why did you think?
Yo, I think I could have looked at Google, yo.
No, we gotta convert.
Yo, it's not that hard. Okay, tell me.
Explain what's processing in your mind.
Because it says 3.5 cups, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I need to convert that into grams.
3.5 cups of what, though?
Flour?
Yeah, that's all good. That's all using metric, so we're good. This is enough. This is more than enough.
Alright.
Yo, you guys gotta help me out, bruh.
What?
Because we're gonna
Well, you're the chef. The chef doesn't need help.
Alright, I'll pause.
This is the dry ingredients.
We need butter. You have butter?
Yes, right here, sir.
No, show them the butter.
Yeah, don't worry.
This is clean.
No, we need more butter. We have no butter. That's really bad.
We don't shit, yo.
Is there like a 7-Eleven?
Oh my goodness. We gotta hit a Richmond TNT.
Bro, because butter's
Pretty bad angle.
Wait, where's the trash?
We got a cup here. I'm Soju Master. We got Bread Master in the back making the...
Where's the trash?
That's why I'm making this.
But I'm not drinking.
Yes, you are. Oh, fuck! Nothing. It's better than nothing. Alright, so we got Soju. We got Yakult. Milk Kiss. That tastes the same
There's no...
as Yakult. So... How do you have an A&W glass, bro? What the fuck? Yo, chat, what the fuck is this?
What do you mean?
Let's use it as
I liked it. I put it in the take-up box. No, take-up bag. And we walked out with it.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
We just come out with brown sugar. We got ginger brown sugar.
Wait, so do they taste gingery?
I don't know.
Yo, where do we get the butter? Oh my god, who came in clutch?
Brandon's mom came
Let's
to
go, bro. Wait, so do they taste gingery?
I don't know.
Yo, that's not bad.
Gingerbread brownie.
We're making a special brownie tonight.
It has been expired since 2023.
What the fuck? It's a dry. It's
dry.
It's like salt.
No, it's not dry.
It's okay.
Brown sugar is not dry.
It's okay, make it.
No, and then we're blasting the heat at like 1,000
All right,
degrees.
I guess.
It's gonna kill all the germs.
All right, you
know
guys
what
are
I'm
the lab rats.
Your coat in here.
325.
Oh fuck! I fuck up the pasting, so we're gonna dump back into
Hold up.
the fuse. Oh shit!
325.
This is 325, gang.
No, Fahrenheit.
Technical difficulties.
Search it up.
It's okay. We have a new strat here. We're gonna dump it like this.
The lowest is 170.
What? It's not working. That's crazy.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to dump some of it. I'm gonna just drink it. This was a failed attempt. Alright, new cup, new me. Make sure not too much your coat. Alright, like that. And then like this. Alright. Now with the final add, soju on top of some milkies. Oh, that's a great drink right here. Are you ready? You ready, bro? Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, gang. It's pretty good.
Right? Is the soju strong? It's pretty light, right?
Yeah, I can't even taste it.
Yeah, that's how. But I didn't add that much. But it's just like, yeah, that's how a cocktail should be like. We're back on the master.
Chef, what's taking so long? We're going back to the step 1.
Well, let's go light with the brown sugar though. Let's see how that does.
Alright.
And
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're at the midway break. Right before we're about to mix everything up, we have everything prepared and the chocolate chip. We have to do some improvising. We don't have enough brown sugar, so we added up.
And we have no
more
we need
chocolate
that.
chip.
We need that.
Oh yeah, true.
No vanilla, no brown sugar, no baking soda.
It's an absolute cook.
No problem.
It's coming. coming together.
Yes, sir. Yo, it actually smells like a brownie. I smell my brother, never mind. Because we don't have the chocolate in there. And then it's like a expired brown sugar with ginger. But
Coming together.
that looks like a nice texture though.
No glaze.
No glaze. Ooh.
Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Is that good enough, Chef?
Wait, let me see.
Oh my grinder.
Yo, is this supposed to be like that, yo?
Why is it
Master,
not liquid?
why are you on the couch?
I need to relax. I need to relax. Chill. Let me relax.
It doesn't feel right. That shit looks like peanut butter.
It's supposed to be like.
Are you
Really?
Cause we didn't add the brown sugar.
sure? Oh, you're onto something, bro. This about to be the most 200 IQ player and
Chef.
the most negative IQ
Chef,
player.
why aren't you giving these ideas? Oh yeah.
This smells kind of weird. I can't lie though.
It doesn't smell weird. It doesn't smell weird. No. It's gonna melt in the microwave.
Oh.
It smells salty. You know why it smells like that? It's cause it's salty, bruh.
Are brownies gonna like salty sugary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus, we don't have the vinina, so it doesn't smell right. The vinina is like, it's supposed to make it smell good when you eat it. Vinina, that's what we need. Vinina, bruh. We don't have vinina, bruh. Oh my god. I mean,
Chef!
Why you just leave the kitchen, bro? Kitchen's nightmare. What time is it?
出铺的会比较好的。
yeah, I get it.
啊，
我也觉得不用用手套啊。
对啊，一定掉就好了。
Yeah.
一定要很170。
Let me help
He
you.
just cut.
What? Oh shit.
尽量。
Yeah. Make it better.
Preheat stage. We'll see
Put
the
this back.
results very soon.
It's coming soon.
We're actually about to do it. That's actually kind of exciting.
I'm baking with the chef. If
Yes.
all goes wrong, it's this guy's fault.
What?
This guy's fault. Remember?
Mmm, smelling like chocolate. Yo, have some faith. I thought you were telling us to have some faith.
It smells good, Brandon.
It smells good. It smells good. We have our final product right here. All right, bro.
It won't be the best, but it'll be good.
How can you say that, bro?
Cause we don't have the right ingredients.
It's gonna be the best thing even without it.
I guess. How's it taste?
Oh. Oh shit. That's not a good sign.
How's it taste?
Protein bar.
Very distinct taste.
Ooh. Like crumbly. Taste. It don't taste like no brownie, no.
Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Like a big,
It just
big
tastes.
ass cookie.
Yeah, it tastes like a big ass cookie more like.
We didn't have the brown sugar. That's why I didn't.
Twice up.
It's,
We
We
had.
get it. We get it, alright?
We get it.
We don't have any of those. We get
That's
it.
why it tastes like cookies. It's all good.
we leave it for next time, bro.
Yeah.
Cause brown sugar's gonna melt. Like.
Who the fuck cares? We were gonna make cookies anyway.
So it's good, right?
Yes, it's fine.
Don't touch it, bro. It's very hot. So.
Look, I'm beating it.
All right.
It might literally just be a big giant chip cookie, which was what we were trying to make in the first place.
Everything happens for a reason, right?
Wait, so the brownie recipe turned into a chocolate chip cookie.
We made a deep dish cookie.
We definitely meant to make this because, yeah. That actually looks like a big chocolate chip
Yes,
cookie,
man.
bro.
How's it taste?
好吃吗？
It's not bad. It tastes like a cookie.
Oh, tastes like a cookie. You hear that?
Oh my goodness. Is
It's
that
not
good?
bad. It's not bad. Yeah.
Really?
哎，你们全部要把它吃掉哦。
Wait, what?
No, it's not bad. Not
We'll
bad.
share.
Yeah.
What did you think?
It was good. It was good.
So why aren't you taking it home?
Cause you guys, I give it to you.
Because it's Chip Ahoy on steroids. That's like a little fat and chocolatey and warm. But you know, you can.
It works.
Yeah, look at this piece, for example. Look at that.
Like, I feel like if I was definitely baked right now, I'd be like munching on it.
Exactly.
Like, if you give this out to the homeless, they'd be eating it.
Okay, bro. Yeah, of course. Like the texture on the outer texture is actually like Dude, exactly like a cookie. It's just so hard.
Exactly.
We definitely meant to make this because, yeah, we said we wanted to make chocolate chip cookie from the very
I
start.
feel like this would be a really good pair if you're baked. You're baked.
Yes.
But the chef is not eating the food, which is kind of confusing to me.
Yeah.
We never eat the products.
What the fuck? Anyways, that was a very nice, successful trial with cocktail and chocolate chip making. We'll see you guys in the next episode of what?
Cooking, but
Not
baking,
really.
but not really.
Baking, but not really. We'll see you guys next time.
Hey.